This video explains how to install an optional 550-sheet tray onto a Xerox VersaLink B415 Multifunction printer. The VersaLink B415 Multifunction printer can support up to 4 total paper trays. Tray 1 is the standard 550-sheet tray that comes with the printer. Trays 2, 3, and 4 are optional 550-sheet trays. Press the power button, then touch Power Off. To prevent personal injury, unplug both ends of your power cord. Unbox the 550-sheet tray. Pull the tray out, remove any packing materials, and then slide the tray back in. Set the correct tray number. Lift the printer and place it on the top of the 550-sheet tray until it clicks into place. Plug in both ends of your power cord and power on the printer. Follow the same instructions to install the remaining optional 550-sheet trays. For more information, refer to the Xerox VersaLink B415 Multifunction Printer User Guide.